shorter, mobile, the light-speed charge.
First ball, one fast bowler was another, just hammers in Hardik. What does Hassan Ali do? Steps out and pops him over the head. I'm sure Hassan Ali done a few times and he knows it's never the quickest one coming through the first ball.
Not to that man, Jadeja, definitely not. Not to his left hand as well. He's just having a word with men in the deep. Make sure you're backing up.
इन्होंने खिलाफ अगर पाकिस्तान में कोई खिलाड़ी चले हैं ना
Pakistan dressing room and they'll see some good
सही रहना और
success
जावेद
around.
मैदान तो सही
But
है
in moments like these,